Welcome to the world of AI-powered content generation, where the lines between reality and fantasy are constantly blurring. Imagine a world where you can create viral content in seconds without any writing or design skills required. Sounds like science fiction, but it's not. Google Gemini 2.0 Pro is the latest AI technology that's making this a reality. In this episode, we'll dive into the world of AI-powered content generation, exploring the possibilities and limitations of this revolutionary technology. We'll discuss how Google Gemini 2.0 Pro works, its current applications, and the potential impact on the content creation industry. But first, let's talk about what's driving this revolution. The rise of social media has created a demand for high-quality, engaging content that resonates with audiences. However, creating such content requires a significant amount of time, effort, and expertise. This is where AI-powered content generation comes in, a game-changer that's set to disrupt the content creation landscape. But what exactly is AI-powered content generation, and how does it work? In simple terms, AI-powered content generation uses artificial intelligence to create content, such as articles, videos, and social media posts, based on a set of inputs or prompts. This content is generated at lightning speed, often in a matter of seconds. The technology behind Google Gemini 2.0 Pro is based on a combination of natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning algorithms. These algorithms enable the system to understand the context and intent behind a given prompt and generate content that's tailored to the audience and the brand. One of the most significant advantages of AI-powered content generation is its speed and efficiency. With Google Gemini 2.0 Pro, you can create high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer or designer. This makes it an attractive option for businesses and marketers who need to produce large volumes of content quickly. However, AI-powered content generation is not without its controversies. Some experts argue that it threatens the livelihoods of human writers and designers, who will no longer be needed to create content. Others raise concerns about the accuracy and quality of AI-generated content, which may not be as nuanced or engaging as human-created content.
While these concerns are valid, it's worth noting that AI-powered content generation is not a replacement for human creativity. Rather, it's a tool that can augment and enhance the content creation process. By leveraging the strengths of both humans and machines, businesses and marketers can create high-quality content that resonates with audiences. One of the most significant advantages of Google Gemini 2.0 Pro is its ability to create content in multiple formats and languages. This makes it an attractive option for businesses that operate globally or need to reach diverse audiences. But what about the potential impact of AI-powered content generation on the content creation industry? Will it lead to job losses, or will it create new opportunities for content creators?
While it's difficult to predict the exact impact of AI-powered content generation on the content creation industry, one thing is certain: it's going to change the way we create and consume content. As AI technology continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more advanced applications of AI-powered content generation. In the near future, we can expect to see AI-powered content generation become more mainstream, with more businesses and marketers adopting this technology to create high-quality content. However, it's also likely that we'll see a new wave of content creators emerge, who specialize in creating content that's tailored to the needs and preferences of AI systems.
But what about the future of AI-powered content generation? Will it continue to evolve and improve, or will it plateau? What are the potential risks and challenges associated with this technology?
These are all valid questions, and ones that we'll continue to explore in future episodes. For now, it's clear that AI-powered content generation is revolutionizing the way we create and consume content. Whether you're a business, marketer, or content creator, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and understand the latest developments in this space. In conclusion, Google Gemini 2.0 Pro is a game-changer that's set to disrupt the content creation landscape. With its speed, efficiency, and ability to create high-quality content in multiple formats and languages, it's an attractive option for businesses and marketers who need to produce large volumes of content quickly. However, it's also worth noting the potential risks and challenges associated with this technology and the need for content creators to adapt to this new reality. So, what do you think? Will AI-powered content generation revolutionize the way we create and consume content? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest AI technology and trends.